Welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to unblock someone on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to unblock someone on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. Now click on the inbox and click on that person's chat who is blocking. Click on here, click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner and you can select option here unblock. That person will be unblocked. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.